In this video, we will be discussing the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing, specifically for beginners. Whether you're new to the industry or looking for a refresher, we have everything you need to understand how affiliate marketing works and how you can take advantage of it. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy that involves an affiliate who promotes or recommends a product or service to their audience and earns a commission for each successful referral or sale made as a result of their promotion. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the merchant, since the affiliate earns a commission and the merchant generates more leads and sales. The first step in becoming a successful affiliate marketer is finding a niche that you're passionate about and has a potential for profitability. This could be anything from health and wellness to beauty to technology. Researching your niche and understanding your target audience is crucial in identifying the most effective marketing strategies for your chosen product or service. Once you've found a niche, the next step is to choose the right affiliate products to promote. Look for products or services that are relevant to your niche and have a good commission rate. You can do this by researching and comparing different products and services offered by various merchants. It's also important to choose products that you have personally tried and tested, as this authenticity will come through in your marketing efforts. Now that you've chosen your products, the next step is to create compelling content that will encourage your audience to take action and make a purchase. This can be done through various marketing channels, including blog posts, social media, email marketing, and video marketing. Whichever marketing channel you choose, make sure that your content provides value to your audience and highlights the benefits of the products you're promoting. Once you have created your content, it's time to promote your affiliate products. This can be done through various marketing strategies, including search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and social media advertising. Whichever strategy you choose, it's important to track your results and continually optimize your marketing efforts to ensure the best possible results. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is an excellent way to generate passive income and create long-term success. Finding the right niche, choosing the right affiliate products, creating compelling content, and promoting your products through various marketing strategies is the key to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. We hope that this ultimate guide has provided you with the knowledge and tools you need to get started on your affiliate marketing journey.